I'm so happy Pa finished our new storage closet. This wardrobe is perfect for storing so many different items and accessories. There are 6 storage shelves and 2 closets. The barn doors open and close by sliding on a metal rail. How cool is that? Ah! Surprise! Oh, Laura, what are you doing in here?
Sorry to scare you, Mary, but look, this closet is big enough for us to fit inside. It's the perfect place to hide when playing hide and seek.
It is big enough for you, but I thought it would be better to hang up our Sunday dresses and calicos in there.
Since clothes are stored on the inside, our other belongings can be placed on the outside. In these cubbies, we can keep toys, extra yarn for knitting, lunch pails, boots, and even Ma's cooking supplies.
Pa did a wonderful job making the shelves very spacious.
I think Susan likes our new storage closet too. The cubbies are just the right size for her to fit inside. It's a great place for Susan to take a nap.
Or hide from Jack.
Come on, Mary. Let's go find some more things to put in our closet.
I'm right behind you.